Welcome to this video about how to draw a DCD in an expedient way. First, a little bit about the layout. What are we looking at? Well, we're looking at three classes: the register class, the sale class, and the store class. If we look closer, we can tell that each class has a compartment for the attributes, where we usually list those. And if we look at the register attributes, we can tell that it has an attribute named ID, and it's of a type integer. The integer type is a primary type, and we'll get back to that a little bit later. Below, we can tell that the register has three attributes. It has an ID, as mentioned already, but also current sale and location. So if we jump back to the compartment in the register class, we can for the attributes we can tell that the current sale and location is not listed. So what is going on? Well, we decided to extract them in order to make it more visibly easy for us to understand what is the collaboration between the classes. For instance, register is collaborating with sale, but it's also collaborating with store. When we list the collaboration in the compartment of attributes, it gets a little bit subtle and hard to understand what is the collaboration. So in order to make it easy, as I mentioned, we try to extract them as a rule of thumb. So what to extract? As we see here, ID is already present. Well, we never extract the primary types. So in general, we extract all the types and the classes that we self-built, that we create in the system, or that is not a a primary type. However, if you imagine, there would be a lot of classes here that collaborates with register, and if we really understand the store collaboration with the register very well, then we don't need to spend the energy on drawing it in the layout like we do here. Then we can just list it in the attribute list in the register, in the attribute compartment in the register class. So what this sums up is that it's about making it easy to understand what is the program supposed to do, how is it going to be working together with each other, all the classes, and in a balanced way, how do we show that in best manner.